What's up, guys? It's Kane here, and I'm just gonna give you a little look slash review of the BeeMax Beehive from Dadant. Now, I bought this for like 85 bucks, pretty cheap. So I'm gonna give you a look and to show you guys. Check it out. Now, it's not like a galvanized metal top. It's just like a hard styrofoam. It'll do the job. Like, pretty much everything's styrofoam except for the frames. Like, you got your bottom board here, and the bees come out of here. You got your handles all around the beehive. And what I do recommend, though, if you live in windy locations like in Colorado, I recommend when it's wintertime you put them lower on a lower hive stand. And they also give you these, I don't know what they use this for, but I bought a strap. Could go to Home Depot. These are like 8 bucks, I think 5 bucks, I don't know, pretty cheap. But you just strap the hive to make sure it's all settled good, and just strap it all around in case any animals too, any raccoons or fucking skunks or who knows, bears for all I know. So yeah, get these straps if you get the BeeMax Beehive. So I also got an entrance reducer in case cold weather comes. Just reduce the hive to that little hole. Or when it gets a little warmer, reduce it to that. Now, it came white. I painted it blue. I painted it with latex paint. And I also got this entrance feeder specifically for the BeeMax Beehive. Just put it in there, and you feed your bees through wintertime. Now it has little holes down here, so it drips sugar water, and the bees drink from it down there. So it makes little droplets, and bees love it. So you put that in once you install the hive, or wintertime. So I'm gonna open her up now. Fucks, do this with one hand. There we are. So the inner cover is wood, inner cover in the frames. So got a wooden inner cover there. And you got your 10 frames with foundation. And take some frames out to show you. There's a screen bottom board down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys could. It's to reduce varroa mites. So that's pretty cool how they added that feature in there. Now this BeeMax Beehive is supposedly, in cold weather, it's supposed to keep the hive warmer with the styrofoam. And when it's hotter, it keeps the hive cooler. Some shit scientifically with the styrofoam drawings, but I don't know. Anyway, I get my bees in 2 days, so this hive's gonna be full of bees in 2 days. Can't wait. Got the location set up, and I'm gonna start beekeeping in colorful Colorado. So yeah, it's been about like 2 years since I kept bees. So I'm getting a nucleus hive. I got it from dakotabees.com for like about $100. You know, I wanted a package bees, but yeah, I was shit out of luck. You know. Alright guys, expect a lot more bee videos coming soon in 2 days. And pretty excited about it. Can't wait. You know, I always loved this hobby ever since I was a little kid. So subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. And catch you guys next time. Peace.